What's up, everybody? Brian Mann here, Hands-On Auto Training. This is March 25th, 2022. Guys, we're going to be messing around with a Cadillac that's got a park brake problem. But first, I got to tell you, it's a celebration, guys. We hit over 10,000 subscribers today on YouTube. I'm super pumped about that. That's awesome. I thank all of you for taking the time to watch, bring your comments and questions and all that. That's awesome stuff. I really do appreciate you guys being part of that on the YouTube family there. So 10,000 subscribers, that's just mind-boggling to me. I can't believe it. So once again, I'm happy. That's a celebration for me. But we've got this Cadillac here. Looks like it's a 17 Cadillac, and it's got a park brake code. And I've been called out because I believe there's a TSB to update this module here. And guys, despite what I've been saying about TechLine Connect working well for me, right now it's giving me a little bit of trouble. So I just rebooted my computer. Now this is not good here, guys. It's the end of the day. I got to get this job done, and we're having some issues. So internal server error read. I may be having to give GM a call. This is very similar to the situation we had yesterday when I couldn't get the job done at the end of the day and had to restart my laptop. I already did restart it. I did go over here, just so you know, and click a couple of times. I went and accessed this again, and when I get in here, we'll see if it comes up. Once again, we got that internal server read error, so this isn't good. Guys, we will have the U-Test Lead giveaway. In this video, I'll give away one U-Test Lead kit to a Premium Record member, and also we're going to give away that other U-Scope I've been trying to give away for about, a month and a half now. So, guys, we'll have two drawings after we get this vehicle done, if we can today. So I might be giving GM a call to see if I can get this thing handled. So now we're stuck on this page here, not authorized to use the page. That happens sometimes. I'm going to keep on just Xing out of this and just keep on clicking on access to see if something will change here, because I bet you GM's doing some funny nonsense on the background on their end. Oh, there we go. Try again. This is what I've had to do a few times with TLC. I've never made a big stink of it because usually it just goes through. But, you know, come on now. 4:42 on a Friday, you know what I mean.
For more information.
All right, so this is airing out at different points here. So we'll see what we can figure out here. So this is a little bit interesting here, how this is loading up here.
Thank you. You have reached the AC Delco Aftermarket Help Desk.
So we're going to try this.
We are currently experiencing hold times longer than 5 minutes. If you would prefer
Launch
to
button.
leave a callback number, press 1. We will call you back as soon as an agent is available.
Try this.
To wait for an agent, please press 2.
Here we go with some good
Call
music.
may be recorded or monitored for quality and training purposes.
We'll be jamming out here. This keeps on airing out after this point. Those of you that call GM, you know about this. So we're seeing why this won't load up here. I don't know what to do. Of course, I'm in a bit of a jam here because I gotta get the job done. All right, so after a bit of a wait there, we got in here. I don't see the code that the customer was talking about. I will tell you, I don't know what this icon is on the GDS2. You have this information about the vehicle and all that stuff there. I don't know what that red icon means. I think it means it might not be online with the server. I really should investigate that and understand what that is, but we'll see what we find out here. All right, so we found a TSB relating to the code that the customer is stating that they have, the C1586, which is not a current code, but there's basically an update here that basically says, what do they tell us to do? Remove the flashing light, power mode accessory, apply to brake pedal. The correction is reflash the brake control module, EBCM, with the latest calibrations. And then they tell you how to get it out of this locked up mode. So let's make sure that we don't have that light on. Taking a look here to see if we have the flashing brake light. I see the park light is on, that's okay. So we're gonna go ahead and reflash this thing. I'm hoping we don't have any more errors with TechLine Connect here. Generally speaking, guys, I gotta tell you, TechLine Connect, SPS2, GDS2, it all has been working pretty well for me overall. I can't complain. I've had problems with SPS1, probably a little bit less than I have with SPS2, but really it just all seems to work. So I'm happy we got this thing going. It is Now 5:13 on Friday night. Come on, let's go. We gotta get home so we can give away some U-scope test lead kits. Test lead kits and a U-scope, should I say. All right, so we're gonna go ahead into reprogram. Haven't taken you guys for a GM flash in a little while. I've been so busy, I have not had time to hold the camera. So seeing that 10K mark really gives me a little motivation, a little shot in the arm to keep on pushing through for y'all. So we're waiting here. I'm hoping SPS does not have any issues. I did check my internet speed. I did like a speed check on my internet and everything was fast. No real problems there, so hopefully this thing gets done. Seems like everything's been slow on internet lately. Ford's been really slow. Ford IDS been acting up. GM, well, as you see here, we're having issues, so I'll be back with you once this thing starts. And this is being really slow here. There we go. So we're looking for brake control module, EBCM, electronic brake control module. We're going to hit the next button. Get this screen up here. Come on, let's go. Guys, we had a fun one last night at the premium member meeting. We're doing some serial network testing, if you will, as we're programming a vehicle. Very, very cool stuff to watch the network, how the bus really changes a bit. That was on a GM Class 2. But we're not going to mess with anything like that on this Cadillac here. Fancy pants, right? Really nice car, if you like them. Come on. Really, this is being slow with a capital S. All right, so we had an issue retrieving the VIN slot. So we're not out of the woods yet here. Let's try this again and hit next. I'm hoping GM gets their act together because this is very annoying. I already called them up on the phone and complained on my Facebook buddies. Somebody verified that GM was down and I was calling in too. And then they picked up the phone relatively fast and said, yeah, we have an error. And I said, hey, well, I should get a credit or something, add a day to my account. I buy this stuff by the year. Help me out. So they're definitely having some server issues here going on. So the current vehicle will take one of my VIN slots. Well, that's great, whatever. It doesn't matter because I have unlimited. Goodness, silly GM. They don't even know what they're doing. They probably got hacked by somebody, hacking software or something. Just checking to see what messages are on the dash there. Come on. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna hit the next button, and you can see we do have some software calibration changes here in this main system. Number 1, calibration slot update to address electronic park brake DTCs. That's exactly what my customer's complaining of. I just love it when it happens, guys. That's great. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the start programming button. I want to get this party started here before it airs out again, right? So hopefully that goes through. The download's complete, top bar's in, car's dinging, good things gotta be happening. It is Friday, and let me tell you what, I am about ready to start the weekend. I got that diagnostic job tomorrow. I'm looking forward to a draw on a, I think it's a 2014 E-Series E150 or 250, got a 600 milliamp draw. We're gonna be getting to that. As you can see here in the background, you should be able to see there, the programming is starting, so we'll be on our way. And as long as this goes through with no issues, I will see you at home to do the drawing giveaways. All right, and we're looking good here. We've got our warranty claim code. So this job is complete. Guys, that finished up okay. There was no issues with it. The parking brake would actually set a fault every time you activated it. I didn't realize that. So it was something that was happening all the time. My customer actually contacted the dealer to buy a parking brake motor, and the dealer even told him, hey, you know, I can sell you that part, but chances are a calibration will update to the EBCM, will take care of it. So that fixed up the Cadillac. Guys, once again, I am shocked, I mean, you know, surprised, I guess, or grateful. I got a lot of emotion for having 10,000 subscribers. Make sure you take the time, if you want to have a good chuckle, go back and look at the oldest videos I have. They're terrible. So really don't do that. You don't want to. But they're still up there. But anyways, I do appreciate each one of every one of you that take the time to watch the videos. Without viewers like you, this stuff wouldn't be happening. So I do appreciate it. Guys, we've got the U-scope that I was not able to give away. You know, I was trying to give this away to the winner, but that's over a month ago or so, or 2 months ago, and we have our AES Wave U-Test Lead kit. This kit is a wonderful kit. I do appreciate AES Wave helping me out a little bit on the price on this stuff. I did buy this myself, but they helped me out, gave me a little bit of break because they know I'm giving away. So we've got the names in a bucket. First up, we're going to go ahead and give away the U-Scope kit. I'm going to try and grab one name. This is harder to do than it looks. Miguel P. Miguel P. You are the winner of the AES Wave U-Scope. And we also have a test lead kit over here. Let's go ahead and get this one away. And guys, just so you know, we're giving away one of these a month to any core or premium member of the Hands-On membership site. So let me go ahead and shake this up so you guys see I'm not pulling a fast one on you. Got too many. I'm trying to grab one. These things stick together. I have to find a better way of doing this. And we have Carolina C. Carolina C. You are the winner of this AES Wave U-Test Lead kit. So I will be reaching out to Carolina and also Miguel and give you guys, I need your mailing address and I'll send you this great stuff. So Miguel, you got the scope. Carolina, you've got the test lead kit. So once again, guys, if you want a good laugh, like I said, go back and look at some of the older videos. I've been putting stuff up there for quite some time. I think in the past 3 or 4 years, I really put a lot of effort into trying to do a good job. My goal is to provide decent content that's not technically boring, but not technically over-technical, I guess. So trying to find the right words to say that doesn't work out. I'm just trying to run this and not edit this part because I'm tired and it's time to start the weekend. But what I'm trying to do is provide you real insight on what's going on with the vehicles, how I go about thinking about them. So if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Guys, you have a great weekend. We'll see you. Bye-bye.